Popcorn and pajamas, a cozy combo explained. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and cozy topic that many of you might have heard but wondered about. Popcorn and pajamas. It's a phrase that paints a picture of relaxation and comfort. But let's explore what it really means and why it's such a beloved concept. Stay tuned as we unravel the layers of this delightful expression. Popcorn and pajamas isn't just about the items it mentions. It's a representation of a laid-back lifestyle and the simple joys of life. Popcorn, a popular snack enjoyed by millions, is often associated with leisure activities, like watching movies or just chilling at home. Pajamas, on the other hand, symbolize comfort, relaxation, and the freedom of being oneself without any formalities. Together, they symbolize an informal, cozy, and enjoyable way to spend time, usually at home, where you can relax fully and indulge in your favorite pastimes without any pretense or need to dress up. This phrase also holds some cultural significance, especially in English-speaking countries where movie nights and sleepovers are common social activities. It suggests a casual gathering with friends or family where everyone is encouraged to be comfortable, often involving watching films or TV series, playing games, or simply chatting the night away. In a broader sense, popcorn and pajamas can be seen as a metaphor for taking a break from the hustle and bustle of daily life, embracing leisure time, and the importance of self-care and mental health. It's a reminder that sometimes, the best way to recharge is by doing something as simple as enjoying a movie in your PJs. Embracing this lifestyle doesn't require much. Here's how you can incorporate the essence of popcorn and pajamas into your life. 1. Plan a movie night. Pick your favorite films or series, make some popcorn, and get cozy in your pajamas. 2. Invite friends or family over. Share the comfort with loved ones. A pajama party can be a great way to bond. 3. Relaxation is key. Remember, the goal is to relax and enjoy. Don't stress about the small stuff. 4. Disconnect to reconnect. Take this time to unwind and perhaps disconnect from digital devices and social media. We hope this video has shed some light on the delightful concept of popcorn and pajamas. It's a simple yet profound reminder of the joy in taking a step back to enjoy the small, comforting moments in life. So, grab your favorite pajamas, make some popcorn, and give yourself permission to relax and enjoy the cozy moments life has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find your perfect popcorn and pajamas moment.